Many people experience stiffness, discomfort, or pain in their spine, especially after a long day of sitting, standing, or repetitive movement. While there are numerous treatments and exercises aimed at alleviating back pain, one often overlooked solution is a simple nighttime routine. But can a pre-bed routine really help your spine? The answer might surprise you. Your spine is the central support structure of your body, and it takes a lot of stress throughout the day. From poor posture while working at a desk to carrying groceries or slouching on the couch, your spine rarely gets a break. By the time you hit the bed, it may already be misaligned, tight, or inflamed. That's why creating a nightly ritual that supports spinal health can be a game changer for your well-being. A good pre-bed routine for spinal care typically involves a combination of gentle stretching, mindful breathing, and spinal alignment exercises. These help to release tension, increase circulation, and prepare the body for rest. One popular technique is the legs up the wall pose. This simple yoga position allows gravity to decompress the spine and can relieve lower back tension. Another effective move is the knee-to-chest stretch, which helps open up the lower back and relax tight hip muscles, which often contribute to spinal stress. Foam rolling is another element many people find useful. Using a foam roller on the upper and lower back for just a few minutes can break up muscle knots and enhance mobility. However, it's important to avoid rolling directly on the spine itself. Instead, focus on the surrounding muscles to create more space and reduce pressure on the vertebrae. Breathing plays a key role. 2. Deep diaphragmatic breathing helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and healing. Lying on your back and practicing slow, controlled breathing can not only calm your mind, but also improve oxygen flow to spinal tissues. This can support overnight recovery and decrease inflammation. Incorporating a supportive mattress and proper sleeping posture is also critical. All the stretching and breathing in the world won't help much if your spine collapses every night due to poor support. Sleeping on your side, with a pillow between your knees, or on your back with a small pillow under your knees can maintain the natural curve of the spine and reduce overnight strain. So, can this pre-bed routine help your spine? If done consistently, the answer is yes. It may not cure chronic conditions, but for many, it reduces pain, improves posture, and supports spinal alignment. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Just a few minutes every night can lead to long-term benefits. If your spine has been bothering you, it might be time to add a spinal health check to your bedtime checklist. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.